Today, I'm going to show you how to use Suno AI v4 5 for free. Yes, you heard that right. If you've been wanting to create your own AI generated music without paying for a subscription, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the official free method. Suno offers a basic plan that gives you 50 free credits every day, which is enough to make up to 10 songs daily. You just need to sign up on the official Suno website. Once you're logged in, go to the Create tab, and you'll find two options, Simple Mode and Custom Mode. Simple Mode lets the AI generate everything for you, while Custom Mode allows you to write your own lyrics and choose the genre and mood. Now, here's an important note. The free basic plan only includes access to version 3.5, not the latest versions like V4 and 5 or V5, which are available only for paid users. Also, any music made on the free plan can't be used commercially since Suno retains the ownership. It's perfect for learning, experimenting, and having fun, but not for selling or uploading to streaming platforms. However, there's a clever workaround. Some third-party sites give limited free access to Suno v4 5 Plus through the Suno API. Two popular ones are AI Music, So, and Music Maker, I Am. These let you create songs using either simple or custom mode, no installation or sign up needed. Just visit the site, type your prompt or lyrics, click Generate, and you'll get your AI song ready to download. And if you want to explore beyond Suno, try Udio, Diffusion, or Sonoto AI. All great free alternatives for AI music generation. Thanks for watching this video.